They spent 20 years building up this huge go-to resource where you could access stories in Scots, poems in Scots, all about the language, the history of Scotland, everything was there. Head teachers knew where to go. Education Scotland for about 8 years ago I opened up Wikipedia and looking up Education Scotland. Lo and behold, everything had gone. There was nothing there but a nice photograph of the Education Scotland team all smiling. And I said to them, what's happened to the... Oh well, everything's being rejigged. In other words, it was ditched. Because I think there were worries and concerns about schools falling behind with reading and arithmetic, the basics. Even more so since COVID, because so much has been lost. Children have to catch up on. That I think a lot of schools feel they've reverted back to what it used to be. St Andrew's Day, Robert Burns' birthday, one day a year we'll do Scots, and that's it, tick, tick, tick. But you do find areas where it is promoted out in the Shire.